Good morning. Last lecture we have seen the property of arithmetic mean, and in this lecture we have seen the next property of the arithmetic mean. That is mean of combined. In this lecture we have seen the next property mean of combined mean. Combined group. Many times it is required to compute mean of two group combined together. That is, there have two groups, and we have compute mean of two groups. That is, we call the combined groups or combined. We find the combined together. It means and size of group are known. We can determine the combined arithmetic mean. That is arithmetic mean of combined group. A unit measurement in the both group should be same. That is many times it is required to compute mean of two groups combined together. That is, we have compute two groups compute the mean of two groups. That is combined groups. Let x bar x1 bar be the arithmetic mean of the first group. That is, x1 bar be the arithmetic mean of the first group. Of size n1. Similarly, x2 bar be the arithmetic mean of the second group of size n2 is given by n1 x1 bar n2 x2 bar divide n1 plus n2. यामध्ये आपल्याला प्रूफ करायचं आहे की x1 bar be the arithmetic mean of the first group and x2 be the arithmetic mean of the second group, and it is given by that is combined mean, that is n1 into x1 bar plus n2 into x2 bar divide n1 plus n2. We have proved this combined group. that is we have give the first group mean, that is x1 bar, that is first group mean is x1 bar equal to sum of observation divide size of group. That is sum of observation is of the first group x1 bar is sum of observation in the first group, in the first group, and size of the first group, that is n1, and that is n1, and cross multiplication केले n1 into x1 bar equal to sum of observation of the first group. Here we have give the first group mean, that is sum of observation in the first group divide size of the group, that is n1, and we have give the cross multiplication, that is n1 into x1 bar equal to sum of observation in the first group. Similarly, n2 into x bar 2 is sum of observation of second group. That is first we have give the mean of first group, and we have give the second group mean, that is here is second group mean. Here we have give the first group mean, and here we have give the second group mean. And then combine mean of group x1 bar and x2 bar. Here we have given the combined mean of the group x1 bar and x2 bar, that is x1 x bar. See, we have considered this combined group of x1 bar and x2 bar is x bar c, that is sum of observation in the first group plus sum of observation in the second group. Sum of the observation in the first group plus sum of the observation in the second group. And size of first group, that is n1, and plus size of second group, that is n2. Size of first group plus size of second group, that is sum of observation in the first group, that is n1 x1 n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar, that is the sum of observation in the first group, where x1 bar equal to sum of observation in the first group divide size of first group, that is n1, and we have given the cross multiplication, that is mean of n1 x1 bar equal to sum of observation in the first group, and we have put the value of sum of observation in the first group is n1 into x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar, that is we have put the sum of observation in the second group value, that is n2 plus x2 bar, and divide size of first group is n1 plus size of second group is n2. We have proved that this property of combined mean, that is combined mean of two groups. Today stop here.